We all know the importance of machine vision, and unplanned downtime is an absolute no-no in this day and age. Well, today we're going to find out what Murrelektronik UK can do to help people with machine vision. With Mr. Anderson Silva. Good to see you again, Anderson. Anderson, what is it that Murrelektronik UK can do to help people in this area?
Yeah, so good question. So here we have our machine vision, and this application we can show our portfolio running, and as you know, our vision to the future is zero cabinet. As you can see here, where's the cabinet? So we don't need it because we have the solution for plug-and-play solution. So here, if you see the machine, we have some conveyors controlled by IO-Link technology. We have a camera solution integrated in our system. So in everything, it's plug-and-play, easy to connect, easy to see, and easy to recognize the diagnostics, for example. So what we have here, some IO-Link device that we can see different colors, different patterns in our beacon, in our tower light. IO-Link device has this push button. Yes, we can see different colors. We can change the direction of the conveyor. All of these devices connected in our IO-Link master module, IP67 module. Here, as you can see, 8 channels, different signals connected here. The power supply, 24 volts connected here. We have the power supply there behind the machine. IP67 solution as well, everything plug and play. IP67 network switch, everything plug and play again. Miko 67, this is our smart circuit breaker. So as you can see here, you mentioned about downtime, right? So if you simulated one short circuit, we can see easily where's the problem. It's here. We can see physically the channel blinking. We can send a signal to the controller. And so if you solve the problem, so it's done. We didn't need to disconnect anything. Easy to recognize, and everything is ready to use again. And the machine is still working, as you can see.
Okay, that's absolutely excellent. And there's a lot to see here. So does this rely on people buying a Murrelektronik camera?
Exactly. So good question. Here you can see, because this is a machine called machine vision, right? We have some cameras installed here, and we have one special solution for it. Instead to create a junction box to collect the GPIO, to connect the power into the camera, we have one specific solution, not just one, but we have different solutions for camera. Like here, as we can see, we have the hybrid suite. In one housing, we have power and data, so everything plug and play directly to the camera, and our breakout block. So in this device, we can connect the power directly to the camera and receive from the camera the GPIOs, and it's ready. Everything is ready to connect. Like here, if I press this button as a trigger, we can see the cameras there. So we are sending one trigger to the cameras. So everything in one plug-and-play solution. It's ready to connect and ready to use.
Okay. Now, people watching the video, they're going to be looking at this and wondering about the solutions that they can look at. Yeah. Where would you suggest they start their investigation?
Good. So in our online shop, it's possible to find all information about our portfolio, especially for new solutions like the camera solutions. So we don't care about which kind of brand you are using. So we have solutions for different type of cameras. So in our online shop, it's possible to find different solutions for independent, different brands. And if you need any support to specify or to see what's the best solution for you, just call me or send one email, and then I'll be ready to support the customer. And we have this machine here and our cases to visit the customers and show the solution working in front and in real time.
Okay, that's excellent. So just to reiterate then, it doesn't matter what camera they're presently using, you can find a solution for them.
Exactly. So independent of the brand of the camera, we have different type of solutions for each application.
Very good. Anderson, thank you so much for the explanation. Now, obviously, if you're watching this, machine vision is a complex subject, but it's something that Murrelektronik can help you with. So why not check out the Murrelektronik website, check out the shop, get the guidance there, but of course, you're going to want to speak to somebody as well. So please check out the link below, and thanks very much for watching.